You guys have been asking for the 4Runner front diff oil change video for quite some time now. I've been so busy with my newborn that I haven't had time to do the job, slow down and film, and edit. And then I met Quality Auto in Hillsborough, North Carolina. These guys are amazing. They volunteered to let me have the camera in the back of their shop and ultimately brought this video to reality. So let's go ahead and dive in here in a moment, but I wanted to ask if you like this content. They realize you're not going to spend money with them. They're doing this out of the kindness of their heart, but you can leave them a 5-star review on Google, and that might help them get some customers by ranking higher. So if you like the video, take the time to do that. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? You have been asking a long time for how to change the front differential, fluid, as well as the transfer case in the 5th gen 4Runner. I'm here with Sean, the owner of Quality Automotive in Hillsborough, North Carolina. And since I had my kid, I don't have time to do this and film. And oddly enough, I met him pulling some codes for my old 740 BMW, and he was nice enough to invite us in the shop to film as we got this job done. So Sean, welcome to the channel. So for the front diff, we're going to use this power fill. You can actually pressurize it with an air compressor or by pumping it with the handle you see at the top. I am not sure of the cost, but Sean thinks he picked this up on Amazon, so I'll see if I can find it or something similar. And I guess the inexpensive way out, as Sean's cracking that drain bolt, I'll show you the inexpensive way with the little Slim Jim dude. Here's an example of the inexpensive pump option that you have. There'll be a link to this, or you can pick them up at O'Reilly's, AutoZone. The problem with these is they're manual, and just expect to take 10 minutes per diff to fill it up. They're kind of annoying, and they do break. So I hate to tell you to buy two, but I don't want you to be stuck and stranded because the spring went out or whatever happens. I did end up breaking one and needed to use a different car to go to the store to get another. 10mm Allen that he just cracked the drain, and then you got the fill up here, which is the same. So this is the front diff that we're transitioning to, and I'm curious to see what the quality of this looks like. Doesn't look too bad. It's a little gray. Sean said it's a little bit gray. This is 82,000 miles.
The gray is basically just suspended metal. That's why you change it, because there's no way to get the metal out.
You heard it. So here we have our magnetic drain plug. You will want to wipe this off, but you can see we got a little bit of metal deposit, actually more so than the rear, oddly enough.
And it's completely normal.
That is common.
Yep, that's completely normal.
So no part out needed today. So for the front diff, Sean just confirmed that the copper is the correct size in the little aluminum crush washer kit that I will be recommending on Amazon. It's just a few bucks and you'll have extra. So we're getting the final little trickle here out of the front diff, and then we are going to put the drain bolt back in the bottom, tighten it up with that Allen, that 10 Allen, and then we're going to fill it using that pressurized system, but we need to take a quick break to clean it out because it's got transmission fluid in it right now. We'll see you here in a second. Sean is purging the system of that transmission fluid, and just brought up a good point I wanted to share briefly. Some people may be tempted to clean their pump out with brake clean or some kind of solvent, and Sean brought up a really good point that flushing it out with your current oil or diff fluid, in this case, that you're wanting to use, is a better idea than introducing a solvent. And that kind of makes sense, and just wanted to point that out. Might as well clean it. The properties of these two oils are so similar that it's not going to hurt anything at the end of the day. So here's that fill process. We're going to do just a quick flush, not a full bottle or anything close to it. And if you do put too much, just keep in mind you can pump it straight into your bottle. So again, you've got the torque specs up on the screen right now. I'm gonna put the quantity as well, but Sean just pumped it until it started coming out of the fill hole. And that is kind of behind closed doors, the proper way to do it without looking at quantity. And we recommend you do the same.